Hello my dear children, welcome to class 3rd Mathematics. Today we will study fractions. In fractions we will study numerator and denominator, and we will also study division facts of fractions. First of all, numerator and denominator. Let's take a fraction 3 by 7. As we know, 3, the upper part, that shows parts of whole, and the lower part, that is 7, it shows whole. We have already studied this. You know, dear children, parts of whole, the upper part which shows parts of whole, this is called numerator, right? The upper part of fraction which shows parts of whole, that is called as numerator. And the lower part which shows whole, this is called denominator, right? So, we can write that the upper part, this is called numerator, and the lower part of fraction, this is called denominator, right? So, in the fraction of 3 by 7, numerator, that is represented by n, that is 3, and denominator d, that is equals to 7, right? You can take some more examples also. Let's take 5 by 18, right? So here 5 shows parts of whole, this is called as numerator, and the lower part, that is 18, which shows whole, this is your denominator, right? Now we will study division facts of fractions, right? How to write division facts of fractions. Let us take the same example, the same fraction, that is 3 by 7, right? In 3 by 7, as we know, 3 is the numerator, right? And 7 is denominator. But what about this line, right? So, this is numerator and 7 is your denominator, and this line which separate numerator and denominator, this is called as fraction bar or division bar, right? So, how to write the division fact of this fraction? Let us know. So, here how to write? 3 is the numerator. So, numerator will come first. Numerator will become the dividend. Okay. So, here 3, and this line shows fraction bar or division bar, right? So, instead of this line, I can put in the place of this line, I will put the sign of division, then denominator. Denominator will become the divisor. So, 3 divided by 7, right? So, this is the division fact of the fraction 3 by 7. Okay. So, division fact 3 by 7, that is equals to 3 divided by 7. So, numerator, I will write first the numerator. Numerator will become the dividend, and in place of this line, I will put the sign of division, and the denominator will become the divisor, right? Next example, 5 by 12. So, here, see, the numerator is 5. So, I will write 5 first, right? 5. Then in place of this line, the division bar, I will put the sign of division, and denominator will become the divisor, right? So, it is 5 by 12, that is equals to 5 divided by 12, right? So, let us solve some more questions. So, here we have some fractions. Here are some fractions, and first fraction is 9 divided by 13. As we know, 9 is the numerator and 13 is denominator, right? So 9 in place of denominator I will write 9, in place of numerator I will write 9, and in the place of denominator I will write 13. And what is the division fact of this fraction? That is equals to 9 divided by 13, right? Numerator, you can say that first of all we will write the numerator, then we will put division sign, then we will write the denominator, okay, in case of division fact. Now next fraction is 5 by 8. As we know, 5 is the numerator, the upper part. 5 is shows parts of whole, that is called as numerator. So 5 is numerator and denominator is 8, right? Then what is the division fact? That is 5 divided by 8, right? So 5 division sign, then 8. So next fraction 4 by 5. 4 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator, and division fact, that is equals to 4 divided by 5, right? I hope all of you are able to understand. Next fraction is 5 divided by 9, right? So 5 is your numerator, 9 is the denominator, and division fact, that is 5 divided by 9, right? Hope this is clear to you all. Do practice. Thank you.